than you normally would. Incline push-up, popping off the ground. You're exploding through the floor.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go!
What's up, my fitness family? Brent Kasmer with BKPT. Yes, I know. You guys are looking to get stronger at your push-ups. So I want to give you different variations so that way you can do this. You can make this happen, all right? So if you're at a plateau and something's going on and you just can't get past, whatever it is, 25 in a row, 50 in a row, 100 in a row, 250 in a row, whatever your possibilities are, okay? And you want to increase it, here's some different variations. And these are just the ones that come to the front of my mind, all right? So you have, obviously, your deficit push-up. Your hands are on handles. It's going a little deeper than you normally would in your push-up and getting a good stretch on that chest, all right? It's all about getting extra stretch in your chest, gaining more, obviously, tonality and definition to your muscles, increasing your mobility on your shoulders, all kinds of different things. So if you're stretching and contracting your chest at a better angle, then a lot of times you can get more muscle, more activation there to get more out of it. So deficit push-up, you can go into your incline push-up. So a lot of times you just put your feet up on the wall, and that way you can just go into an incline push-up. So these are a little more difficult. Decline push-up would obviously be your hands on a box, so you can do more repetitions and getting your body used to more repetitions, so that way you can push past that number as well. Sometimes it's just that number in your mind that's fatiguing you out. All right, the next one is the plyometric push-up, which is when you're popping off the ground, you're exploding through the floor and coming off the ground. All right, so you want to make sure you're absorbing that and not landing in a stiff, abrasive motion for your shoulders, so that way you don't hurt yourself. All right. And then close grip push-up, which is more of a narrow or the diamond push-up, like I'm sure you've seen or in one Muscle Fitness magazine. They're just doing something narrow. I like doing these actually on dumbbells, like this. So narrow grip, tucking those elbows in, and getting that tricep push-up in also. All right. Another one would be just kind of mix matching your hands. So one hand forward like a staggered push-up, like 5 like that, staggering the other way, getting 5 in like that. Stay with me, and I'll do more variations of push-up. That way you're getting good strength and power out of your push-up, pushing past plateaus.